Pride Month is still going on loud and proud, and followed by an amazing parade today is an awesome street fair filled with food, drinks, music, and all kinds of sight and sounds for the Bronx community. Prouder and louder than ever before, the 2024 Bronx Pride Festival draws an estimated 5,000 attendees to Westchester Avenue, solidifying the borough's status as a beacon of inclusivity and acceptance.
I believe in making sure that the communities, all communities, are safe in the Bronx, and that includes the LGBTQA plus community.
The festival, held on a sweltering summer day, transforms the avenue into a kaleidoscope of color and energy, with attendees from all walks of life converging to celebrate the LGBTQ+ community. Today, the atmosphere is electric, emphasized by the rhythmic beats, the scent of delicious food, and the hum of conversation all around. The procession begins at 161st Street, where attendees gather with community members and elected officials to collectively make their way down to the streets of Westchester Avenue, along a route closed off by NYPD officials for today's occasion.
We are loud, we are proud, we are out here in the streets celebrating Pride. This is our Pride March, started at 161 in the Concourse, all the way down to the hub, to our Bronx Festival.
This year's festival marked another significant milestone in the history of New York City Pride, which dates back to 1970, when the first march was held in response to the Stonewall riots. Today, the movement continues to push for full equality and protection for the LGBTQ+ community, amidst a resurgence of hate crimes and discrimination. At the festival, attendees enjoy a range of performances, from drag shows to live music, as well as access to essential health services and community resources.
I see a lot of people who are prideful, that's for sure. People are proud to be, they're proud to be expressing their sexual orientation. They're proud to be just alive, proud to be human, and they're also proud of their city. Beautiful Bronx right here.
Pride is a celebration of members of our community, you know? I think it's just really important to try and celebrate all the different aspects of all our communities, especially here in the Bronx, just such a diverse place.
2024 Bronx Pride Festival serves as a powerful reminder that even in the face of adversity, the LGBTQ+ community will continue to thrive and unite in the city they call home.
Our organizations understand that we're here, we're out, we're proud to serve you, and we appreciate all that they're doing to make sure the community that was so much underrepresented historically has now come forward to do what's right.
In Westchester Avenue, from BronxNet Television News, I'm Chris Kimella.